are 40 unexpected animal moments caught on camera. If it wasn't for this good boy, they'd probably never arrive in time.
Row, row, row your boat.
Those dancing lessons are finally paying off. This dog is trying to commit insurance fraud. And now, the greatest turtle tickle battle in history.
Tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle.
Oh, he's coming around this way.
I think Duke's getting tired.
She's like, come on, let's run.
Here's a physical representation of what online arguments look like. Ever heard a dog perfectly articulate their bark? Once sheep get an idea in their heads, there's no stopping them. This dog cannot stand porch pirates, so he makes sure to collect and open packages as soon as they arrive. Here's a true friend helping his buddy get to freedom.
I want to break free.
No, Steve, I don't want to go to the family reunion. And now it's time for some binge quickfire clips.
Hey, excuse me. Nada. Are you doing dishes? I hope so.
Dogs will roll in puddles and jump over sprinklers, but a nice clean bath? Nope, no way.
Oh, hell no!
Take notes, boys. This is how it's done. This dog is trying to remix the classic birthday song. And now, Ben Central's clip of the day. smart pup devised a master plan to infiltrate the bigger chair.
Yeah, boy.
Meet Arnold. Arnold is blind, and he's very proud to find treasures in the park all by himself. Quick announcement, we're giving away a brand new iPhone 14 every single month. All you have to do to enter is watch the video till the end, comment your favorite moment, and subscribe with notifications turned on. Good luck! These two cats are in the middle of a ritual. I bless you in the name of the great red laser dot. May your mice be slow, your birds be flightless, and your tuna be fresh.
Ayos mo na yung masamang nilalang sa kanya. Sige.
Okay, let me just carefully get on the bed. I don't want any trouble.
Oh, gross!
Here are a couple of huskies spilling all of the town's tea. This tiger absolutely hates surprises.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here.
What is that? Oh. Oh. Oh, it's a chicken. Okay.
This is the definition of all bark, no bite. This dog slips punches better than Mike Tyson.
Lots of jabs, nothing landed. However, Canelo is moving and not punching. Look at him slip all these shots. The hardest thing to do in the ring, make the man miss.
老二，你老插队，每次。
Watch closely as this cat carefully summons the bathroom spirits. In the last animal video, we showed you the new and improved Pixar animation. Well, this one's a close second. How to go from golden retriever to chocolate Labrador in one easy step.
Barley, no.
When you argue with your girl about who's on the wrong side of the bed. There's always that one friend at breakfast the morning after a sleepover.
Oh my!
It's incredible just how focused this German Shepherd is. This dog will only accept freshly prepared gourmet food.
Oh, hell no! Yeah, boy.
Oh my god, are you a ninja?
This big boy weighs 190 pounds, but he's scared of everything.
No, 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 no. Wait. Wait.
When you finish school and mom says, we're going to get McDonald's. If you happen to be a cat watching this video, here's a tried and true method of getting any human's attention.
See? What? Okay.
Which of these moments was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.